Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable advertised topics on Google Chrome. So if you want to personalize your advertise, or you don't want to Google Chrome provide you specific advertise, or you just want like randomly get like advertise that show up on your sites become randomly, you can just turn off these settings. So here you can go to the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can click on privacy and security, and here we go. This is the ad privacy. Customize the info used by sites to show you ads. Click it, and this is the add topics, and click it, and this add topics are based on your recent browsing history and are used by sites to show you personalized ads while protecting your identity. So you can turn this off. Whether an ad you see is personalized can depend on many things, including these settings. You can click on this link, site suggested ads, your cookie settings, and managing your ad privacy. Or if you want to turn this on, the topic older than 4 weeks get auto delayed. And here you can manage your topics if you want to add specific topics on your ad. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.